subscribe below, and we got some stuff that we're gonna show you. Let's do this big one first. You might have seen these cakes before.
Yeah, you haven't played this ever, right?
What?
You haven't played this game.
No, but I've seen it, especially the big version. So this is a CINNAMOROLL skateboard. It comes with a remote control over here. Both have folding pencils on both sides.
So this is
And they
for
look
the...
ginormous.
We can use it for the giant coloring book. This one. Did I show you this one?
Yeah. Is this another thing?
That's so cute.
Top view is actually looking like a rabbit right now. Look at my camera. It looks like there's a bunny on it. The CINNAMOROLL is technically a dog, just you know. She's not a bunny. She's a dog.
Really?
Yeah, because in the obby, because I joined a Roblox obby, and then it said a fun fact about CINNAMOROLL.